If you want to measure sleep with Redmi Watch 6, what you can do is you can open the apps list, and then you want to open the sleep app. Now over here, if you scroll down, then you should be able to eventually find settings. It is recommended to go to settings over here, and then of course go to advanced monitoring, and you can enable this option because it will allow the watch to track REM sleep, and then you can also get detailed reports about your sleep when this option is enabled. We can also go to the breathing rate, and we can turn this option on as well, of course, as long as you want to. Of course, you can say if you make use of this information or not. And remember to, of course, wear the watch while you are asleep. So before you go to sleep, just make sure that you put it on your wrist, you wear it on your wrist, and then your watch should be able to gather the information about the sleep. In the Mi Fitness app or Mi Fitness app, you should also be able to go to Fitness and Health after choosing your watch. And then here we have the sleep option where we can also enable both of these options. So instead of going through the watch, we can just go over here and turn these options on. And after the sleep, once you wake up, you can of course go to the sleep app, and you should be able to find the information about your sleep or its quality. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.